This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8211 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood decor interior, sleeps 5, skylight, leveling jacks, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8211 BH is 4,509 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.